Hi guys, welcome back to Company Hiring YouTube channel. We have a great opportunity for 2025 passed outs from IBM company is hiring associate system engineer role under its off-campus drive 2025. Eligible candidates are BE or B.Tech graduates from CS, IT and related branches like EEE, ECE, etc. with to 6 GPA or 60%, no active backlogs. You will be working on software development, AI, and cloud technologies with IBM's global consulting team. Locations are open across India with hybrid work option, perfect for freshers who want to start your career with global brand. Apply now and don't waste the time, guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share this news to all your friends. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, feel free me to bring me in comment box. I will answer as much of as possible.